Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. Back at the car show at Kennesaw, the Kennesaw Cruisin on Main Street. Really awesome, check this out. Cars everywhere, as far as the eye can see. But I'm looking for the bugs, the sweet bugs, and I think there's still a few here to check out. Let's find out. I'm so used to shooting bugs. These cars are so long, like 600 feet of car here. It's the longest car I've ever seen.
Oh, is that right?
It's a lot of car.
Yep.
Walking around. Man, cars. Look at this awesome car. How you guys doing? Wow, this is awesome. Bel Air. I don't think you get much lower than this. Wow. Look at this car, amazing. I love flames on things. I don't know what it is. It's just me. The interior. I know nothing about these cars. I just like them. Trunk space. There's so much trunk space. I could park my bug in the back of this car. This is ridiculous. Look at this high rod. Wow. Ford Deluxe. I can read. That's basically how I know that. But the grill is serious. Wow. It's mean car. Dragons. More cars. So many cars all day here at the Cruisin in Kennesaw, Main Street. Gotta get this one. Cobra, baby. What do you think? It's awesome, right? Pretty sweet. Yeah. Porsche. Also, orange cars. Cars are like burnt orange. I love those. Look at this guy. Yeah, you got these amazing cars like this. Obviously but about this bug. Is this your bug?
Yeah, it's my bug.
Dude, this is awesome. What's your name?
Pat.
I'm VW, Pat.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Can you tell me about your car? What year is it?
It's a 1966.
66. How?
Good. Sea blue.
Sea blue, yeah. How'd you get this car?
How did I get it? I actually got it off of, I guess it was Craigslist.
Craigslist? You're a Craigslist-er? You're the only one. Most of your marketplace, but you're an OG Craigslist-er. Good for you.
I was in 15, so.
This is awesome. Is this your first bug?
No, I've always had one.
What was your first Beetle?
Man, I was 16. My brother worked at a car dealership, and he's like, hey, we got this. It was an auto stick. I forget, 73, 74. So he brought it home.
This is great. Really great. What have you done to the car so far since you've owned it?
My hands have been everywhere. I've done everything on it.
Wait, hold on. This is great. I mean, because you're driving and you want to hit someone, hear you up, and you reach out and you do the thing, right?
Yeah, kids like it.
It's great. I like it. I think it's great. Look at these fenders. This is awesome. So you have this German license plate on the front. Is this what's the meaning behind this?
I wanted to name it. Everybody's got a name for their bugs.
Yeah. So this is Scooter?
Yeah, it's Scooter.
with the umlauts over it. This is great. Amazing. Wow. I love the roof rack too. This is really nice. People don't appreciate like the extra little things you do, but the orange and the blue, like it all just kind of works, man. It's really cool. Can we look at the engine?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So clean, dude. So you rebuilt the engine yourself.
I haven't rebuilt the engine, but that was a great story in itself. That engine I got at Craigslist, $500.
This engine didn't come with this car.
No.
Okay. So you bought a car with a bad engine, and then you bought another engine, and you fixed that and put that in this car?
This engine came from another car. But the story behind the engine is awesome because it's a Mid-America Motorworks rebuild, and the guy sold it for $500.
Wow.
It still had plastic on it.
Oh, so Mid-America Motorworks is the old Rocky Mountain Motorworks.
Yeah.
I used to love their catalog. It was so cool, and like all the pictures, I was like, this is what I want. Christmas list times. Dude, the exhaust is killer too. Look at
Custom.
killer exhaust. Wow. Yeah, they're really nice. $500.
Yeah, it was a deal.
You have all the luck, Pat.
Well, McGuire,
Oh,
Irish.
oh, cool. I love the plate cover, right? That's really cool too. Nice. Can we take a look inside?
Sure.
You did everything. Pop outs, back windows, got the wind tunnel going on. What we talking about this shifter? This is fun. Lucky number 13.
Yeah, I used to be a big Coca-Cola fan, and I gave it up. So I needed something to. I used to have a Coke can on there. So that was the next step. And then try and find an 8-ball. They're all gone.
No, they're all gone. You got to make your own. Yeah, I love the vintage suitcase that you repurposed as a radio.
Yeah.
That's great. Look at that. Really cool, man. So nice. Do you have a? I'm gonna close this door. Do you have a punch list of things you want to do next to the car? Like,
I haven't done anything. It's done as far as I'm concerned. Unless I find something really unique to put on it,
right.
I'm happy with it.
I don't know, man. I'm so happy you have this car and you kept such good care of it, and all the upgrades you've done are just awesome. The interior and everything. Even these windows are so cool. You've got fish eyes on it, so you can actually see things.
Yeah.
Because with the vibration out the window, you can't see anything, right? So now finally you figured out, you cracked the code, dude. This is awesome. Really, really great. Man, I love it. Right down to the little horn. Really cool. Thanks, man. Thanks for talking. I appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
Nice meeting you. You can take your car and do lots of things with it, but can you Baja it to the extreme Baja? Look at this. This car is sick. Wow. Is this your car?
Yeah,
Austin, and what's your name?
Tony Gonzalez.
Tony Gonzalez.
Yeah.
How you doing, VW? Nice to meet you. Can we talk about your car a little bit?
Yeah, man.
Dude, what? Am I looking at this? Is this what you got when you got this car like this, or did you?
Yeah, no. So this car was actually built in 2017 by a company that actually doesn't build VWs or cars. They actually build military bulletproof vehicles.
Yeah, it looks like a military bulletproof vehicle.
Yeah, if you look at the hubs here, these are actually the hubs that they use on the bulletproof cars, and then they mounted it onto here, and then made it where these rims could be mounted onto those hubs. So you see right there, you got, I don't know, like 12 bolts.
It is. You can take a bullet, man. This is crazy.
Yeah.
So it was like this when you got it.
Yeah. So they built 2 vehicles back in 2017 to showcase to their customers,
right,
the detail of how detailed they can be. Because when they make those bulletproof vehicles, it's just throw them together as strong as they can, and there's no detail that goes into it, right? And they built this and a sand rail. So the whole car was custom built. Everything from every bolt, every nut to the pan of the car, everything was handmade. So the whole pan of the car is stainless steel. And then it has a military grade coating on it. That's what they use on those vehicles. All the tube work is all stainless steel. So you could see here when the car was being built.
Oh yeah. What year is the chassis?
So the donor car was a 69 donor car.
Oh, okay. It had no idea it was going to become Franken machine.
They did not. It did not. It got taken apart. All the pieces got donated, and all they kept was the shell.
This is crazy.
Which is really, really cool. And it gives you a walkthrough on how the car was built, from the suspension to the front, right here, the gentleman is actually hand stitching all the interior inside the car as it sat.
And all the little details, like these LED turn signals on the side, like semaphores.
Everything. Yep.
Dude, this is awesome.
All the motor is stainless, as you can tell.
I'm gonna check out the real motor. I want to see the actual car. Look at these rails on the side.
Yep.
Like so many of the side rails, you get out of the Bug and you're like, I can't step on it because you're gonna go through it, right?
Oh yeah, this will hold you.
You can stand. I can drive around. You can like hand out flyers. Look at this. That's awesome. Wow. What's the logo from their company?
No, so that's actually an 8-ball.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Sorry.
Because it looks like an 8-ball. It's all black.
What is this tire?
So that's a 35-inch 80s Baja Mickey Thompson tire.
Wow. This is huge.
Original style 80 aluminum forged wheels, 3-piece wheels. Yep.
It's a monster Bug. I love these fenders, and they did such a great job, dude.
So all fiberglass front cowl and rear fenders are all hand-laid fiberglass.
And so this is folded up?
Yeah, so this, when you're driving, folds down.
Oh, yeah, killer.
Gives you kind of like your little trunk space.
Yeah.
Covers the oil radiator.
Yeah, and then you got the LEDs here, and this motor is immaculate, right? It's brand new, the car.
Yeah, it's pretty much a car. I think right now has like 60,000 miles. When I got it from them, it had 4 miles on it.
And is this a small radiator?
Yeah, so this cools the oil.
Okay.
So it goes through the oil filter here, goes down, comes up into the cooler, and it cools down the oil. So it helps you kind of keep the engine cool because it's a 2276 motor. So it was bored out to 94 millimeters, so it's 4-size piston.
Amazing, amazing, yeah. So hydraulic lifters in the camshaft, or?
Yeah, and it's got, so the rear end is off of a bus, so it's got a bus transaxle with electronic locking diff, dual Weber carburetors, 44s.
Wow. Look at this.
Dual shocks in the back.
Wow.
With a tension belt.
Yeah. Awesome.
Super trap exhaust.
Wow, look at this car. Crazy. Crazy. Unbelievable. Oh, right down to, but the door cards feel like OG, which is really nice. You kept like the spirit of the Beetle still here, but it's just like maxed out to the
power windows.
Of course. Yeah. Look at that.
A sunroof, all hand stitched interior, deleted rear seats.
Oh man.
So those brackets you see back there, that's what holds the rear cage for the motor.
Okay.
You mounted to the actual body of the car, so it's super, super stiff.
Yeah, look at these. Everything is just great, dude. Built out to the T.
Optimum battery.
I feel like there's so much space in this car.
Oh, it's super spacious.
Oh my gosh.
Because the seats are moved about 12 inches.
Yeah, this. Okay, I think you win the award for the most leg room in a Bug I've ever had. Look at my white legs. This is great. Tell me about this braking system. Look at this.
Yeah, so that's all hydraulic brakes, hydraulic clutch, with your pedal. It's all CNC'd, aluminum. You've got a CNC'd aluminum
Steering
column, removable steering wheel. So racing style Grant steering wheel snaps on. Yep.
And I think I really like the fact that you bought all the gauges. If it was a gauge for sale, you bought it. Look at this.
All the gauges are backlit. The front part right here, this is all custom made, so it was all hand rolled.
Your 8 balls, cool.
The dash was all handmade dash, and then CNC'd. The covers are all CNC'd.
Surfing pig, I love it.
Yeah,
it's the little touches that put your personality through.
So you got all your switches to battery. This is your fuel pump, LED lights, front LED lights, winch. So the winch is actually a worn winch that you could control if you ever get stuck. You got your light switch here for your regular lights and stuff like that, turning signal.
I gotta check out the winch now. To the winch. Man, this is crazy.
So all fiberglass front end. So you fuel here, racing fuel cap.
Okay.
So you got your fuel tank underneath.
Yeah.
And then here's your LED bars, and then worn winch that sits right behind this custom-made front bumper.
Have you had to rescue any bugs in distress and off a ditch on a cold, rainy night yet?
I have not. It's been out twice off-roading through trails, which was for a magazine shoot.
Yeah.
So it made it on a special magazine.
What's the cover look like?
Yeah, so the magazine is called Roll Blitz.
Okay.
It only comes out once a year, and the photographers have to submit cars, and then the magazine has to pick what cars are going to make the magazine for the year.
So I never have any notes on people's cars, right? Because they're a reflection of their personality, what they do to make it right, whatever. And the one thing that always bugs me about people's Bugs is the surfboard. But California guy, Florida guy, right? I always pick up on it. But you, sir, are doing it right. Please, if you have a surfboard, you got to do it backwards, fins up. People don't understand, like, this is the proper way to mount a surfboard on a rack. These guys are out there putting the surfboard forward, the fins down, whatever, like, you're going to trash the board. That board is gone. This is a real surfer how he really does it the right way.
Yeah, I'm an original California kid. Born in the 70s, left California in the 80s.
That's how you put a surfboard on a rack. And of course, the extra dogs have been up there forever because their skeletons are all that's left. I love it. Right down to the German flag. It's great, man. Wow. I look at this like a brand new car, right? Like it's cherry mint, but I don't know, maybe, is there anything on it that you think if you could do one more thing, adjust one more thing, there's a punch list, like, I want to do this, or, I don't know. I can't imagine, but
yeah, really not. It's pretty much got everything that it needs.
Everything a boy could want.
Yeah, there's everything that I've added onto it, like the roof rack. When I got it, it didn't have the roof rack and things like that. Just little details to kind of make it my own it's what's important, right? Whether you build it yourself or you buy it already built, it's adding those extra touches that makes it yours.
100%.
Like it didn't have this shifter, so that shifter I had made.
Cool Rides Customs. Yeah. I know Kevin.
Yeah,
and his work.
Super nice guy.
That's a great shifter. Yeah.
Yeah, that setup that they did with the green on the bottom was something that they did special for me.
They personalized everything you want the way you want it. So, dude, I love it, man.
Fun vehicle.
Really, really fun. All the boys and all the toys. Yeah. So, it's great.
Yes, sir.
I'll say, well, thanks for chatting with me. I really
thank you.
Yeah. Awesome. Hopefully I'll see you out on the road one day and go into some trails or something. That'd be great.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy the show, man.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one. Plymouth. Awesome Plymouth. Look at this. Wow. Not a bug, but for 39, Black Betty. Man, it's pretty awesome. This car. Beautiful car, man.
See in the trunk?
Are there bodies in the trunk?
No, don't find.
Okay. Wow, there you go. You know, when you get thirsty.
I have to supplement my gas money.
Don't ever underestimate the power of corn juice. It's important, yeah. That's a crazy trunk. Wow. It's awesome, man.
Chip City.
North Carolina. This one's for sale. 1930 Model A Ford. Wow. Unbelievable. These cars are beautiful. Look at this dash. Wow. It's like right off the showroom floor. Get out of town. Mustang. This is not a trailer queen. That's right. Everyone's leaving. Time to go, everybody. Cars are packing up, heading out. See you later, man. And that's the day for me. Have a great week, everybody. Make it a great week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I really appreciate it. And make it a great week. Look at these cars.